Hello, welcome back to Nicole Chinese Mandarin. I'm Nicole. Today, let's take a look at the dialogue 3 and 4 of lesson 8. After today's video, you will understand how to say open the door and couldn't open the door. Especially couldn't open the door, that will be totally different logic as English. And you will also learn another way to read the Chinese number 1. Make sure to subscribe my channel, then you will never miss the Chinese content I'm sharing here. 服务员，我房间的门打不开了。服务员 the waiter or waitress. We can call 服务员 in hotel, restaurant, or you also can call them just by 您好 hello. 我房间的门 the door of my room. The link the description part and the noun. 打不开了 couldn't be opened. Let's check this structure out. 门打不开 door is a subject. 门 and the verb open 打开is a vocabulary of open. And the negative form is not. But we put this not in the middle of the vocabulary 打不开. Okay, let's take a look at this open. Open in Chinese, you can translate to 开 as a character. If you translate it as a vocabulary, that will be 打开. And the way to use them most of the time are same. Like the examples. 开罐头 equal 打开罐头. 开窗户 equal 打开窗户. Slightly different as English. We say 开灯 turn on the light. So 开 or 打开 in Chinese also has the meaning of turn on something. And the difference of 开 and 打开 is the negative form. You have to use 打开 when you use negative form. Let's see this one. 打得开 apple to open. 打不开 couldn't be opened. If you want to describe something able to be opened or couldn't be opened, then you have to use 打开。这个罐头打不开 couldn't be opened. 你打得开这个窗户吗？ Can you open this window? Are you able to open this window? This we will mention this in our future lessons. This one is a link the verb with adjective. 您住哪个房间？住 live. Example, 他住在海德公园旁边。哪个 at here means which one. 哪 singularly means where, but once 哪 together with a measure words, that word becomes which. Which room are you living? 您住哪个房间？ You live which one room? 317. Okay, this is another way to read the number 1. You've already learned 1 in Chinese is 一. But in some situation, we read 一 as 幺. The reason is, imagine if I say 一 317. 一 and 七 pronunciation actually quite similar. If I say 317, especially in the phone call, you might really hard to distinguish which number I'm singing. So when we read a couple of numbers together, or we read numbers by phone call, we need to read 1 as 幺 317. This is the room number. 好的 Alright, okay. 我叫人去看看 I call people go have a look. 叫 at here similar as the character we mentioned on last dialogue, 让. You can understand them totally same. 我让人去看看，我叫人去看看。I call a people, I ask another people to have a look. 你看看 You have a look. Double the verb, 看看。这几件衣服 This couple of clothes 怎么样 How about it? 件 measure words of clothes. 几件 couple of. This couple of clothes. So these clothes. 怎么样 When answer 怎么样 questions, you need to give your feeling, your thinking. Now here is the answer. 这件白的 This white one. 有点长 A little bit long. 那件黑的 That's black one. 有点贵有点长有点贵有点 A little bit. And followed by adjective. 有点长有点贵 And 这件白的这件黑的 Both of them omit the 衣服 because we are talking about 衣服 So the full sentence should be 这件白的衣服有点长那件黑的衣服有点贵这件红的呢 Repeating the same question asked before. So the whole question would be 这件红的衣服怎么样？这是今天新来的 This is today, new, coming, 新来的让我再看看 Let me take a look more 再 in this context, the meaning is more instead of then. If you want to practice your listening and speaking, please check out the listen readings in this video. It includes the official audio as well as my slow and normal speed reading videos. You can mimic my mouth movement and tone. Okay, this wraps up today's video. I will see you next video soon. Bye bye.